Welfare, Shri Maloy Bora, to kindly welcome the Honorable Sports Minister of Assam, Shri Bimal Bora. Welcome. শ্ৰদ্ধাসুধীবৃন্দ আদৰণি ভাষণ আগবঢ়াবলৈ এতিয়া আমি বিনম্ৰ অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ অসম চৰকাৰৰ ক্ৰীড়া আৰু যুৱ কল্যাণ বিভাগৰ আয়ুক্ত সচিব শ্ৰী মলয় বৰা ডাঙৰীয়াক।
Honorable Chief Minister, the pride of Assam, our dear Lovelina Borgohain, Honorable Speaker of the Assembly, Honorable Minister of Sports, Honorable Ministers present in the meeting here, Honorable MLAs present in the hall, respected Chief Secretary, Sri Hamanto Kolita, General Secretary of the Boxing Federation, Urun Bhogeshwar Borua, the Doyen of Sports in Assam, my senior colleagues from the government who have come to grace the occasions and show the solidarity with Lovelina. I welcome you all to this solemn function of felicitation which has been organized on the behest of our Honorable Chief Minister to Lovelina so that the people of Assam can congratulate her and also thank her for bringing the first Olympic medal to the state. The program is for you, Lovelina, from the people of Assam as a show of gratitude. Lovelina, we, the people of Assam, have keenly watched your achievements in the ring in Tokyo, and all of us prayed for your success. The August House of the Assembly have taken resolution during the sitting for your success. Honorable Minister had asked the people of Assam to remember you in their prayers for your success during your performance. The Government of Assam, as desired by the Honorable Chief Minister, is taking up plans for bringing the sporting activities in the state through huge number of infrastructures to be built as well as training and other facilities. Lovelina, your performance has inspired the youngsters of Assam for taking up various sporting activities in a professional and serious manner. And all of us who are part of the government as well as other stakeholders are all geared up to see that the momentum created by you will be taken forward in a big way. You will inspire the upcoming talents more by your performance in Paris Olympics. I take the opportunity to welcome the Doyen of Sports in Assam, respected Bhogeshwar Borua, to this function. His dream of an Olympic medal is a reality today. His coaching will be remembered with gratitude with us all. I welcome Sri Tiken Borgohain Dev to this event and give my respect to him and his family, whose love and care made it possible to make Lovelina an Olympic medalist today. I welcome all the distinguished people who are present in the hall and those who are seeing the program in their TVs from their homes. The last and not the least, I welcome the members of the press and electronic media who have been playing such a positive role for creating a sporting atmosphere in Assam and highlighting the achievements of Lovelina Borgohain. I welcome one and all of you for the facilitation program. Thank you. Joya Ahom, Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. এতিয়া আমি বিনম্ৰ অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ অসমৰ ক্ৰীড়া আৰু যুৱ কল্যাণ বিভাগৰ মাননীয় মন্ত্ৰী শ্ৰী বিমল বৰা মহোদয়ক তেখেতৰ বহুমূলীয়া ভাষণ প্ৰদান কৰিবলৈ।
সমগ্ৰ অসমবাসীৰ কাৰণে এটা অতি ঐতিহাসিক দিন আজি, যিটো দিনত এগৰাকী অসম সন্তানে ক্ৰীড়া বিশ্বৰ সৰ্বোচ্চ মঞ্চত নিজৰ দক্ষতা আৰু প্ৰতিভাৰে উজ্বলি উঠি অসম তথা আমাৰ দেশখনলৈকে গৌৰৱ কঢ়িয়াই আনিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছে। সেইগৰাকী অসম সন্তানক আমি উষ্ম অভিনন্দন